Hey everybody, this is Aarika. She's my other half, and this is her apple lathe in HD.
But it's not even doing it.
It's not even doing right, but we're gonna film it anyway because it's totally freaking awesome. She has a lathe for turning down apples. Look at that! What it just did. Oh, yep. Oop, it, oop.
Babe.
Okay, she's got to adjust her tool. She's adjusting her tool. Oh, tighten it down with the wing nut. Make sure it gets good and tight. Yep. Just let me get a look. Let's take a look at it while she's not over here. This is the apple lathe, everybody. The apple lathe in HD. In HD.
Move.
Apple lathe.
Out of the damn way.
Oh, bossy. See, she just sticks the apple on there like so. She didn't get very round apples, so it's hard for her to turn them down, I think. See, but anyway, this is the apple lathe in HD, everybody. Peels it, cores it, turns it into these. Would you look at that? Fucking the net, Craig.